The effect that we're going to cover in this video is going to be the lattice effect. What we're going to do to simulate this is this rectangle is going to represent a card that you would like to make. Down the middle is going to be the fold point, and you would like to have a little lattice window on the top portion of the card, and that will be an oval. So I'm going to draw a shape here. And again, if you're following along, you don't see the oval, left click and hold. You'll see all the shapes there. Make sure you choose circle. So let me go ahead and select it. And then I'm just going to draw that shape here. I use my arrow tool. So we have our shape, we have our window. Let's go ahead and create the lattice effect. So we're going to go up to the effects menu. And we're going to scroll down till we see the lattice. This window will appear, and you can sort of see that the lattice is giving us the lines, creating that net effect. And you can manipulate these lines however you wish. You can just do horizontals only, you can do verticals only, or you can do both. So I'm going to go ahead and choose both. Now the next thing that you will need to do if you are going to follow the card and the lattice effect example, we are going to need to use the inverse. And we're going to get a better idea of what actually is happening here. I'm going to click the preview. And you can sort of see that we are getting the exact effect that we would like. So the key to this, if you're going to lay this on top of a card, is choosing the inverse. Then I'm going to click on OK. Now the next thing that I need to do is I need to select everything, and I'm going to go ahead and go up here to Object, and then I'm going to merge it. And that will give me that lattice effect, and if we were to preview this, we can sort of see how it will actually cut, where these little pieces here will actually fall out and the lines are attached properly to the card. That is the lattice effect inside of CreateSpace.